Hi, welcome to the Acute Back Pain Program. This program was designed for anyone who has low back pain. Everyone has a different level of back pain. Some discomfort may be normal. It might be appropriate to do just some of the gentle stretching exercises first before moving on to the strengthening exercises. Remember, if at any time you have discomfort that is increasing, please stop the exercise, review the technique. It may be appropriate to consult with your physician if pain persists. For this program, we're going to need a heating pad for our warm-up period. Remember, we use a heating pad to help increase blood flow to that region, that improves flexibility and helps reduce pain. If this is the first time you're watching this program, please stop the DVD. Apply a heating pad for 5 minutes. For future reference, you can use a heating pad prior to the beginning of this program. Okay, let's begin with our stretching program. Okay, Paul, let's do our first exercise. It's going to be that single knee to chest. So let's start with that right knee. We're going to bring it up gently. We're going to hold this position comfortably for 15 seconds. You're doing a great job here. How does that feel? All right. About 5 more seconds. Should be feeling that kind of in the lower buttocks and in the lower back region. Okay, let's bring that leg down. Nice and slow. Let's bring the other leg up, comfortably up. Support it well. Again, thinking about bringing your lower back into the carpet or the mat. That looks really good. Really good. You want to keep your head nice and comfortable. This shouldn't cause any increased discomfort. 1, bring it back down. Okay, let's bring the next leg up. You know, anytime you have lower back pain, this helps to kind of reduce some of the spasms in the lower back, and it should make you feel better. This is a very comfortable position to be in. You got 5 more seconds on this leg. Really looks good. Knee nice and straight, nice and comfortable. Okay, bring it down. Let's bring up the other leg. Again, nice deep breaths as we do this. Want to stay nice and relaxed and not cause any increased discomfort. You got about 5 more seconds here. Okay, bring it back down. Okay, let's advance to our next set, which is going to be the double knee to chest. Let's bring both of those gently up, one at a time. And again, try and press those knees gently into your stomach and chest. Again, if you don't feel good doing this, we can bring those knees down a little bit. But the whole idea is we're going to get a nice stretch in the buttocks and the lower back. You got 2 more seconds. Okay, gently bring them back down, supporting them, okay? You're all right? Yep. Good, let's bring them back up. You're doing a great job. Hold them up there. Fantastic, you got 10 more seconds. Okay, 3, 2, 1, bring them down. Okay, let's put our feet nice and comfortable on the floor, and we're going to do our lower trunk rotations. So again, we're going to use both of our knees, arms are going to be out to the side, and let's just gently rotate them to the right. We're going to hold that there for 15 seconds. Again, you want to be in a comfortable position. You don't want to cause any increased pain. You want to try and maintain that pelvis on the ground. The shoulders nice and level there. Looks good. Got 5 more seconds in this position. We're going to flip ourselves over to the other side, nice and slow. Gentle motions. Okay, let's bring it over slowly to the other side. That's it. And just hold that position. Take some nice deep breaths in. Again, we're working on our lower back here. We're trying to stretch out some of the muscles that might be painful. Got about 5 more seconds in this position. 3, 2, 1. Slowly bring your legs back over. That's good. This is the last time on this side. That's great. Looks good. Your shoulders are nice and stable here. Holding yourself, supporting yourself well. Good deep breaths. This is hopefully also helping you to warm up a little bit. Got 3, 2, 1. Slowly bring them to the opposite side. Keep the feet on the floor. That's great. And as you feel better, you can push those legs out even more. And shouldn't cause you any increased pain. Got about 10 more seconds on this side. Then we're going to proceed to our next exercise. Okay, looks great. 2, 1, bring the legs back. Our next exercise, we're going to the pelvic tilts here. All right, so what I want you to do is keep this position. You can actually put your hands on your pelvis, all right? We're going to work taking our abdomen, we're going to tighten that, we're going to tilt our pelvis upwards, trying to force our lower back into the floor. This is strengthening our core in here. We're going to hold this position for 5 seconds. Great job, relax. All right, we're going to do this a total of 10 times. You got 9 more to go, all right? Here we go. Let's contract that belly, push it down. Great job, all right? Relax on that one, all right? Take a deep breath, and let's do that one more time. Tilt that pelvis. That's great. Keep your feet flat on the floor. Good, you got 2, 1. All right, relax. You're okay? Good. All right, you look good. All right, let's do that one more time. Here we go. This is the 4th one. And relax. Good. All right, let's do that again. We're halfway there on these. Okay, relax. All right, try it again. Here we are strengthening our abdomen, which is one of our main stabilizers of our spine. This is really important for rehab. And relax. Fantastic. Let's do it again. Relax. Good. One more time. Let's push down. And relax. Okay, you got 2 more. Here we go. Let's push down, contract that belly, push that pelvis. Okay, relax. Here's our last one. All right, let's push down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fantastic. All right, we're gonna move into our single leg raises, okay? So let's use our hands, okay? And gently bring our leg up. This is concentrating on our lower back and our hamstrings. We're gonna do this, each leg, for 15 seconds. You can try and keep the leg straight if you're able to. If it's too hard, bend your leg and keep it into a comfortable position. You feel it? Absolutely. Okay, let's begin here for 15 seconds on this leg. All right, begin. Hold that leg. Breathe into this. You're doing a great job. I can tell you're really warmed up here. Hopefully your back's feeling okay. All right, you got 2, 1. Let's gently bring this leg down, supporting it with your hand. Bring it down, and let's go up with the opposite side. That's great. All right, looks good. You're holding this for 15 seconds. Try not to do any jerky motions. Again, when you have lower back pain, these hamstrings get really tight, and this really is a great stretch for this. Okay, bring it back down. Let's go to the other leg, to the right leg. It's the last time on this leg. Get a good stretch in here. You got 10 more seconds on this side, and then we'll do the last one on the left leg. All right, keep those deep breaths going. 2, 1, gently bring this down, assisting it down. Let's bring our other leg up and hold that. Yep, got that leg a little bit straighter this one. That's what happens when you warm up. Get a little bit more flexible. That looks good. You got about 7 more seconds here. And then we're gonna go on to our next exercise. 3, 2, 1, okay. Let's go, we're gonna go into our kneeling position. And we're gonna do our mid-back stretch. So kneeling on this comfortable mat, let's just gently, using your hands for support, reach far forward. We're gonna try and put our head down to the ground. If you can, you might need a support with a pillow or a small towel to rest it on. Let's hold this for 15 seconds, okay? Good, you got 10 more seconds. Again, this is good for kind of the mid and upper back region. Also helps stretch out the buttocks. Again, all the things that when you have low back pain, That all is all very tight. All right, let's come back to the kneeling position. Good, take a nice deep breath, take a break for a sec. Okay, let's go back down. Stretch nicely, bring that head down, and let's hold that position. It's nice to have a comfortable mat so the knees don't hurt here. That looks really very good. You got about 5 more seconds. 2, 1, okay, come on up. All right, let's stand up because we're gonna do our last stretch, which is the lumbar rotation. We're gonna do 10 repetitions, right and left. Okay, Paul, nice standing position. We're gonna cross our arms and let's just gently twist to the right and twist to the left. Nice smooth motions, that's it. As we start to feel a little bit better, you can turn yourself a little bit more. Again, this is gonna stretch kind of our lower torso, and it's a great exercise. How those feel? Breathe into each one of them. Okay, you're doing great. A few more here. You got 5 more. Okay, good job. Good stretch, right? Feel all right? Okay, we're gonna move into some active motion exercises, all right? So the first one we're gonna do is the forward backward lift, okay? So let's get those feet, shoulder, a little bit wider than shoulder width. Okay, let's bring the arms up. We're gonna go nice and slow to a count of 4. So let's do this together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's keep that pace nice and slow. We're gonna do this 10 times. Again, we can bend our knees slightly to get a little bit more comfortable. This is really starting to warm up our lower back. This should really help you. Nice stretching and some active motion coming back up, stretching out our lower back, our buttocks, and our hamstrings. That's it. That feels okay, Paul?
Good.
That's great. Okay, nice and slow, bringing it up. Again, remember, if this causes discomfort, we might just stick with the stretches initially, and as you feel better, we can add these segments into it. Let's bring it up nice and slow. That's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, down, up, 2, 3, 4, up. That's great. Looks good, looks good. Working up a sweat here.
A little bit.
All right, nice and slow. Gentle arch in the back. If that hurts, again, we don't have to come all the way up. We go in a comfortable range of motion. Okay, you got 2 more. And slowly back up. 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 1 more to go. This is our last one. Okay, nice and slow. That was okay?
Okay.
All right. Okay, let's do our trunk rotations, Paul. Hands on our hips, shoulder width apart with our legs, maybe a little bit more. And let's start with 10 clockwise rotations. Nice and slow, nice and easy. Use that body to kind of move that spine, loosen it up, take some deep breaths in. How's that feel? All right, as you feel a little bit better, you can then actually make the motions much more accentuated. But again, if at any point in time you feel some discomfort, make the circle smaller. All right, let's go the opposite way now. Do 10 on this side. That's great. That really looks good. Doing a great job. Good deep breaths, nice and warmed up. All right, let's go on to our next exercise. It's gonna be the press up. All right, so let's get down on the ground. All right, nice comfortable position, hands by your shoulders. Okay, and we're gonna press up here. We're gonna do this 5 times for 10 seconds. So bring it up and hold it in that position. Again, this is a good exercise for the arms to help support yourself, but it also helps stretch out your abdomen, which we've been working on with some of our pelvic tilts. Okay, bring it back up. Nice and comfortable. And again, if there's discomfort in the back, we can bring it back down to a nice, comfortable position. 10, all right, bring it down. Great, let's push back up. This is our third one. Three, 2, 1, bring it back down. Okay, push up. Nice deep breath. Three, 2, 1. All right, this is our last one here. All right, push it up. Good support on the hands. Neck should be nice and straight and comfortable. You should feel the stretch in the abdomen. Great, bring it down. All right, good job. Let's do our next exercise, which is our hip extensions. What we're gonna do is we're gonna use a small pillow or some folded towels, put that under our belly, give us some support here. And we're gonna start with our right leg, and we're gonna keep our right leg straight. We're gonna lift it up and hold that position for 5 seconds. 2, 1, bring it down. We're doing this 5 times. Let's bring it back up. Put it back down. Great. All right, third one, bring it up. This is really concentrating on stretching our gluteal, our buttocks region, and our hamstring. All important for lower back. Bring it down. Okay, let's bring it back up. This is our fourth one. 2, 1, bring it down. Last one on this side. Let's bring it up. 2, 1, bring it down. Okay, let's go to our left side now, all right? Same position, you're nice and comfortable, right? Good. Okay, lift up. 2, 1, bring it down. All right, let's bring it up. 2, 1, bring it down. Good. Let's bring it up. Feel yourself contracting the buttocks, lower back, and hamstrings. 2, 1, bring it down. Okay, 2 more, let's go. Let's lift up. 2, 1, bring it down. Last time, let's bring it up. 2, 1, bring it down. All right, let's move on to the next exercise. It's basically the same thing that we just did, but we're gonna add in our opposite arm, okay? So we're gonna start with the right leg, all right, and left arm, and we are going to bring that arm straight out, and let's lift up our right leg and left arm. And again, this is working kind of our whole lower back as a unit. 2, 1, bring it down. Okay, let's do the same thing. Bring it up. Bring it back down. Is it okay, Paul? Okay. All right. Let's bring it back up. It's our third one here. Doing a great job. 2, 1, bring it down. 2 more to go. Let's bring it back up. 2, 1, bring it back down. Last one on this side, then we'll flip over to the other side. Let's bring it up. This is great for strengthening of our lower back here. 2, 1, bring it down. Okay, let's go to our other side. Right arm, left leg. Here we go, lift up. 5, bring it down. Okay, take a deep breath, relax for a sec. Let's bring it up. 2, 1, bring it down. Let's lift up again. 2, 1, bring it down. 2 more to go. Let's bring it back up. We're almost there on these. Okay, bring it down. All right, last one here. Let's make it good. Bring it back up. Great for strengthening. Gonna make your back feel much better. 2, 1, bring it down. All right, you feeling all right?
Feeling good.
All right, next one is our last strengthening exercise. That's gonna be our chair crunch. So let's get our chair. Let's put it out in front of us. This is gonna help strengthen our core, our abdomen. We're gonna put our feet comfortably up on the chair, legs 90 degrees, hips 90 degrees. We're gonna work on putting our hands across our chest, keeping ourselves nice and stable, and we're gonna do some little crunches, lifting our shoulder and our head up off the ground. We're gonna do this 10 times, okay? Bring it up, that's it. Really working our abdomen here. This is a very protective position for our backs, keeping our knees bent in this position. Come on back down. Bring it up. Nice deep breaths. Working our core stabilizer here. Bring it back down. Come on back down. Bring it back down. Okay. Bring it back down. Come up. Good job. All right, we're going to do this set of 10 again.
Okay.
All right.
Yep.
Another set of 10. Here we go. Let's bring it up. Bring it down. Slowly up. Bring it down. Slowly up. And again down. Nice and controlled. Up. And then back down. Bring it up. All right, we're halfway there. We got 5 more to go. Let's do it. All right. Bring it up. And come back down. Bring it up. Come back down. This is number 8. We're almost there. Come back down and up. Bring it down. This is your last one, Paul. Bring it back down. Great job with the acute back pain program. If your back is feeling sore, let's use an ice pack for the next 10 to 15 minutes. Please place a cloth between the ice and your skin so we protect our skin. Using this program 3 to 4 times a week will help decrease your pain, increase your flexibility, and get you back on track. If you're feeling better after a few weeks, you can actually advance to the next level, but please review those techniques prior to going on to the beginner back conditioning program. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let's see you back real soon.